My name is Amber. I'm a Youth and Digital Literacy Coordinator with ARA. I have been working since from 2014 in a different role. Since from this year, I started a new role, Youth and Digital Literacy Coordinator. And also I worked in ARA program to support like health related clients. So if they are struggling, if they need like if they need support with health and well-being, we do support them to be independent. And also like in youth and digital literacy, I do normally oversee all the programs. So the programs includes homework clubs. We got like 6 homework clubs, which was initially established in 2006 from 2 homework clubs. Now in between, like we got 8 homework club and now back to 6 homework clubs. When the COVID hit in March, we did like all homework club gone online, and then again back to face to face. Now both face to face and online homework clubs are in operations. So main aim of homework club is to connect, support them to gain independence, like bridge the gap, because once they come in here, they are in different environment. It is hard for them to understand the Australian system. It is like really difficult for them to know like what to do and what not to do. And also like in here, like they have to do research and they have to put everything as per the requirements. So just to bridge the gap, our trained volunteers and facilitators normally help them to bridge the gap, and also just to transition to the new school. Back in their country, like they might have completed like around year 5 or 6, and they have to be in year 10 or 11 here. There's a big gap in between. So just to bridge that gap, just to cover those gaps, so our volunteers are really trying to support them to get into like in English, practice English, writing, speaking, like all numeracy and literacy. These things will be covered. Not only that much, they help to write resume, finding jobs, like mainly connecting to other services. Like we normally connect them to like different services to like support them for resume writings, and also like if they got any issues, we do identify and then refer them to different service providers. So we got like drop-in hangout program, so which is like mainly socializing young clients, mainly socializing. In that program, normally like our young people, they come in, they do like we do connect them to the different services. From there we do link them to like other mentors, other friends and family members, so that they feel like they are connected. Mostly our young clients, like they want to learn new skills, so which we help them to like gain new skills, build independence, and also like new connections, making friends, things like that. So we do normally cover like wide range of activities in the hangout program. So we got like very trained volunteers, facilitators who normally run the program. So pretty much like sometime one-to-one, sometime in a group. So we do facilitate them and support them to gain some sort of like new skills every time. We also got like digital literacy program, which is when the COVID hits in March. That was like we identified there is a big gap in the digital literacy, because our newly arrival clients really struggled to like really navigate the system. The digital literacy is something that is highly required in Australia. and we figure out like there is a need. So we started supporting like young people to access laptops. We distributed laptops. We support them with the digital literacy, link them to different services, and now many of our clients are like well independent, and they started using laptops independently, as well as like they're doing really good at school. So when we see first time, they even don't know how to like safely shut down and also like turn on laptop, but now they started using independently. So our main aim to support our newly arrival client is to gain some confidence and also like gain some skills so that they can do something better in their life. So and also like we got other school holidays program. So these school holidays programs are like mainly during the school holidays time. So we organize school holidays program as per the need of the client. Every school holidays are different, so we identify, we approach to our client group, and we do organize as per the need of the clients. So last school holidays we organized soccer tournament and also like digital literacy, because there is a big demand for the digital literacy. So we did this one. So another school holiday is going to be coming up with completely different. So we will be doing like 3 days camp where like so many different topics will be included, and then they will walk away home with some knowledge around like their safety, their personal safety, family safety, to be a leader in the community, cyber security, self-defense. These kind of things will be included in the workshop. Yes, so these school holidays are like every time is different. Like we normally do indoor as well as outdoor. So but mainly based on the client's need. So we do organize like school holidays program just to reduce the isolation. Also like create networking and also link them to different services. Also like mainly to upskill them, like to gain some new skills in their life. Like just if we organize like 1 or 2 sessions in school holidays time, that really help them a lot to gain some confidence in their life. Thank you.